If you play The Sims 4, package files are your mods and custom content. They don't run by clicking them, they must be moved to the specific mods folder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let me show you where that folder is hiding. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized package file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. A package file is a proprietary data container used by The Sims 4 and other EA games. It stores various game assets, including textures, 3D models, animations, sound effects, and game scripts. These files are essential for the game to function correctly and provide the content players experience. Package files are structured archives, often employing a custom compression algorithm to reduce file size. The internal structure is specific to the game engine and may vary between different EA titles. Modders often create and distribute custom package files to add new content or modify existing game elements. System file recognition for package is optimized for The Sims 4 by Electronic Arts. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows may see the archive but lacks full support, so proper decompression requires specialized tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your package file and choose Open With. Test The Sims 4 first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If you still can't open the package file, it's okay. We're facing a complicated package error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is an InstallShield installer file or custom content, CC for Sims 4. Next, use Game Mod Manager. If Sims 4, ensure the mod is placed in the mods folder and that script mods are enabled in the game's options. Finally, use 7-zip archive tool. If an InstallShield file fails, use a robust archive utility like 7-zip to browse and extract the installer components, e.g. setup.x manually. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.